Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my game Devlog. In this episode I will be continuing working on the quest system. So in the last episode we were able to complete um, some more quest types and implement logic for some prerequisites to introduce new characters. And let me just uh, play the game and show you guys what I'm talking about. So currently I'm just gonna show you. So this is the very first quest that we get, an old man. This just to make everything clear, this is just a placeholder quest. This is not part of our story, and it's just I just made these quests up just to implement this quest system. So these quests might change in the future. So currently we have this quest, an old man, as the very first quest that we receive in our game, and it has no prerequisites. As you can see, there are no prerequisites, there are no sub quests, and but if we go and click on this getting shop license, you can see that we need to complete Meet Town Mayor in order for us to receive this quest. And if we go to Meet Town Mayor quest, you can see the prerequisite quest for this quest is an old man. So there can be multiple quests. Maybe there are we need to complete maybe 3 quests from different NPCs, and then we will be able to get another quest. So there might be different scenarios, different checks that we might need to look for. But currently, I'm just gonna show you. If I click on the old man, we'll get a pop-up, a dialog box, and the dialog we can see, and the item that we are required to get for this NPC in order to complete the quest. So let's add an item, and if I click on the old man, our quest will complete. Okay, so again, we complete the quest, and the old man again has a quest for us. So let's see what is the next quest. So the old man says that you help me out so I can answer one question. Okay. So he asks the old man that I need to set up a shop. So how would I be able to do that? And the old man says that you need to meet the town mayor for that. Okay, so in the future, this sequence would be something like the town mayor. We won't be able to see the town mayor yet, because we are talking to the old man, and when the game hides all the dialogues and actually gives us player controls, then we would be able to move around and look for the mayor. And if we click on the mayor, so as you can see, hey there, welcome to our humble town, I'm the town mayor, you can ask me anything, right? So there are a couple of, I guess, so I was able to implement a quest type like I'm just going to show you. So this is quest. So these are all the types currently available to us. So retrieving an item and find a person is complete, but for some reason complete dialogue gets completed whenever we click an NPC if the quest type is set to complete dialogue. And I guess I need to implement this in this way. Let's just implement this first, and then we can go ahead and try and implement these two types, find the person, report back, and subquests in this video. So let's just open up our quest system real quick. Okay, so let's suppose that we have a quest of type complete a dialogue, right? So if I I'm not sure if I should do this, because I think that this is just something like this. So if we go inside initialize NPC, your available list. Let me go through all the quests again and see if everything works. I'm just going to concentrate on the mayor for now and seeing when the mayor changes its state. Okay, let's just do something like this. Add item complete. Okay. This should not be okay. Let me just available. Come on, Unity. Let's just click on the mayor. He is in idle, and if I click over here, quest given, he is in quest given state. His state is going back to idle. So this dialogue was part of Meet Town Mayor, right? So let's just press dialogue and hey there, welcome to home. Yes, this was part of this. Let me just confirm one thing. Where, so if I need to add something over here. So if it's find a person and quest is not equal to complete and it's a find a person, and then inside find a person quest, let's see if inside find a person quest. Okay. Dialog manager dot set current quest. Invoke. So over here we have something like initial on quest complete. Let's check if our current quest for mayor is null or not. Just change this back to here. Current quest is none. No, the current quest is getting shop license. On quest complete, what it does is whenever a quest is complete, it calls check on quest completed, wait for timer to finish, and initialize NPC. Check if NPC can give a quest. So when we complete an old man, so let's see if meet town mayor is available. Okay. Check if prerequisites are met. Give me a small break. And we are back. So check if prerequisites are met. We return this. Okay, let me just play and go through our steps one by one. This is available, this is available. Sure. Okay. Complete. This is available. and getting shop license. What if I click here? In the idle state. And let's go back to Unity. The current quest is getting shop license. So when we click on this over here, this gets invoked for everyone, and even for the mayor this will get invoked. So let's go back, and the quest will get completed. So this is, what if I say that if the state of our current quest is not, if current quest dot quest state is not equal to received, or maybe is equal to received, then only then this should work, right? So let's test this functionality. Now our functionality is working fine, but there is an exception. So let's just add another check. If for those of our NPCs that does not has a current quest, so we can just do something like is not equal to null, and so this would just, if it sees that it's null, then it won't check for this one. So in that way this won't be null. Let's go back. Notice it is also an expensive invocation. Okay, let's just go through every single thing again. Not sure why is this resetting to available, but this is what we wanted, so it's good. Okay. Now this, oh, I need to set every single. So now this should work. Now if I click on our mayor, hello there, how can I be of your assistance? I need to set up a shop. Okay, sounds good. Take this. And this this state is not going back to idle. So let's see our inventory. We got our item, the shop license. What if I think that if I what? Okay, so the state got changed to no. This is not what we wanted. So after I complete it, okay. So yeah, so I know what we are missing. So as we are in this add something like or This has already gone. The dialogue. I can check if this is not working. So let's see what is the state of our it's quest complete, right? So here is uh, what is the state of our it says received. We have yes we do have a license. The reward it has given us a reward. Um this invoked. Maybe this was invoked and on complete quest this wait for timer to finish. Why is it redundant? Anyways, let's just not find person value is equal to which not So there is a lot of debugging. What was this state received? He is giving us our reward, right? But inside quest dialog, find person quest. I'm my state that the state of mayor is not idle, right? Is on quest complete state. This happens, this happens. Give rewards happen on quest timer. It's not the state was not it was complete. But how am I receiving these rewards? This is only one. Do I need to add debugs? To add current quest, not name. Over here. Let's go back and see it. What happens on quest complete? On quest complete, invoke it. Okay, this is correct. Let's go back and look for some debug. I need to have a cheese block. Thing. Where are we getting this? So the reward for this was a shop license. I can't remember when I added this item to this quest, but this is wrong. I need to just remove this from over here and okay, so but again, um, now our logic will work, but we are not quite there yet because after completing a dialogue, so now we don't have a reward item as a license, right? And when I click here, we will get an item, and that's it. All our quests are complete. Okay. But we don't need to click on the. What do we have to click on? No. When the complete dialogue state is finished, maybe should I just do this? Then it returns true every time, right? So give rewards. No, but on quest complete is not being called, so it is not checking any. Let me go back to our this one. Take this is our quest dialogues, right? Where is our quest dialogues? Show this is not necessary, I guess. Um, show dialogue. Just show hide dialogue. Do we have a reference to our quest manager? Nope. When we have gone through all our dialogue in our complete dialogue, we will need to change something like Um, so this is fine. And when hide dialog box is called, I need to we have this current quest, right? I know what I need to do, but I'm still thinking if we can complete it without any unnecessary dependencies. So it won't be called and okay, let's just on accept quest, this, show dialog, and on hide dialog I need to say something like if current quest dot quest type is complete dialog, then do something like call on quest complete functionality. But for that I do need a reference to our NPC, and I don't really want to get that reference. Let's just create another action. I'm not sure. We're going to refactor this anyway, so let's just focus on completing the game first, like the MVP. For me this feels very wrong. Action, maybe an event. This would be the thing. This would be on. Like this. And we need to actually invoke this on dialog finished. And over here what we can do is just call dialog manager dot. Now this might think it won't. Dialog one dialog. This would be quest complete will be called if current quest is not equal to null, like this I guess, and got to reset the values of this reset is available in this level. Now our this type is also complete, right? So we got our license. Let's just change the icons for cheese and to the items, I guess. But where are the items? So I need to change these. Maybe draw a slice of cheese. New. Okay. There's a lot. Yes. Like this. Maybe dark. And then just add some good enough. Like change it something like this. These two colors match, but it feels like they are different, right? Anyways, let's just do something like this. What is happening? My eyes are not working. Let's just know. A slice of cheese or png. Let's get another one, and this would be a block of cheese. Be a bit of there's some kind of a shading going on, but why? Am I selecting multiple? What is this? Make this more bright. What is instead of doing control scroll, I just did alt and scroll. That was the case. Anyways, let's just this and okay, what else? And we need to change this and you to bigger block of cheese, and let's go through again. We have block of cheese. There you go, old man. Thank you. He gave us a block of cheese, a bigger cheese. Much better, I guess. A license and everything works great. Now, do I implement other types, or should I just end this video right here? Find a person and report back. Can we do this quickly? Whenever I say to do something real quick, it takes me another video, length of another video. So I guess we can try. I want to quickly go through these quest types so that I can move on to showing like a pop-up of our current quest that we have. Like a quest that we choose to do. So like a main quest or our current quest. So there would be like, if we chose an old man as a quest, so there would be a pop-up that shows us our current quest is an old man. Okay? And we have something like help out the old man, something like this as a quest option. So the description may be maybe it gets updated, so there would be like no, so yeah, there would be two states for this. Like one would be maybe a kind of a global quest or a world quest where there is no one to give us a quest and we receive it automatically. So maybe an old man is a quest that we receive automatically when we start our game, and it would say that an old man is waiting for you in the middle of a bazaar right over here, and after we click on and accept the quest from the old man, so that the state would then change to help out, finish, or maybe get a slice of cheese for the old man. Okay? So it would show us right over here. Let me just draw it. Just say something like current quest. It won't be a pop-up. It will current quest, maybe slider. I'm not sure. Let's just do this and we have text. This would be current quest, and then there would be another one. It should be current quest task text. And is it right? maybe 45. Let's say maybe quest title. Would be maybe a bit more than, so just to differentiate between a task and the title itself, maybe 75, and this would be much smaller, like maybe 28, and we would actually need to do this maybe 30. This would be quest task, right? And this should be passed over here. So these are the squares. Let me just quest indicators. Quest current quest public next. So on accepted quest, but are we actually, no, there is no current quest. Which is actually the right way to do it. Maybe we can do something like, there might be a panel of a lot of quests available to us, and we can set a particular quest to active quest. Whatever quest is active shows up over here. So, but I guess let's just complete the next one, like all these types of quests, and then move on to this one. That would be much better thing to do. So let's just implement find a person and report back. Okay, so we can do something like when we click over here and a person is in idle state, like this, and it's checking if I'm required for a quest. So this would be, this is not anything. So this would be find person quest complete. Let's go back and complete quest complete. So what we can do is we can a blue. Just create another function on find person and report back quest completed. Very good function name. Again, if current quest is not equal to null and this. Let me just check something real quick. So I think that I am missing a very small thing which I need to implement. Okay. Right. And so, what if we listen to the old man and he says meet the town man, right? But if I click, oh, this is wrong. Click. That's where is insert these values. I think I should add some kind of a button or maybe a utility to go through each quest and reset their values to available. But maybe in the next video. So I need to check the state of our old man first. So this is it, and if I click, where is the old man? Quest given, right? Quest complete. So in the onClick function, where is NPC logic? On NPC clicked. So it is just completing the quest, right? Click on quest complete. Current quest is find a person. So now this is something tricky. So we need to check if we have actually we need to find a person. I think we need to think about something else. To complete this kind of a quest, we might need a reference to the NPC, and after completing the dialogue, that NPC needs to report back to us that you can now complete your quest, something like this. Let me think for a moment. Like if I click on and find a person quest, I need to implement something over here. Do we have a reference to that the person that we need to find in, so like if current quest dot find person value is not equal to null, maybe is equal to null, then we need to do some dialogues. Yes, and return false. Once let me just think. Okay, once, so on clicked, where is this? Check if I'm required for a quest. Okay, we do have request and we can mark this as null. So maybe, but could we do this? I'm not sure. Find person value is equal to null. Something like this. Let's check if I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Maybe we need because every time I'll complete the quest, this value will get null and it will get saved because it's a scriptable object. And I will need to pass main over and over again. So let's go through this. Let's click again. What? Okay. There is some kind of an issue. In progress, current function. Where am I incrementing the value? Oh, I forgot. So yeah, so let's just add item and with this. Over here, get you find our main. I'm working on it. Why? Maybe I need to do something like count. If count is 1, we equal to 0, it will give. The right logic, I guess. Okay, so now what? Let's just reset the values again and play this one more time. or to check at a state. So okay, did you find where? Oh, maybe this has to do with global index. What if I just do something like this? Hey, sometimes. Okay, hide logic. Where is hide dialog? Hide dialog. Hide dialog. Hide dialog. How about I global count is equal to 0, global index is equal to 0. Well, let's see. I think I should implement a editor, a small editor window that will just on click of a button resets all the values. Was this? It is this current dialog index. This is in progress. This is in progress. Is in progress. Current dialog first in progress dialog index is equal to. Okay, let's just check if our logic is working, and then we can fix this issue. And it deleted. Everything was fine, but there is this out of bounds exception. Was it out of bounds or was it? I forgot. Let's just reset all these values. Available, available, available. Just index out of range. So this is the issue. Maybe I need to add debug.log error current in progress index is. So let's just reset all the values again. And is 0, is 1. There is no okay, let's go through. Okay. So our index is 0. We are setting the first index to this, right? Global index is again 0. Global count is the count, which is 1. So when next time we come, no, so like the first time, it is incrementing, right? So it has already shown the value. So this becomes 1. So this is set to 1. This is also 1. And if this is 1 and this is 1, current index is equal to count, it becomes 0. So is it changing this value or over here? I need to check this. It becomes 1, it becomes 1, then the index becomes 0, right? Maybe adding 3 different dialog boxes was a much better idea, because this is overcomplicating stuff. Anyways, let's just see if we can fix this quick enough. So this needs to what is this? But if it is 1, right? me just see. Okay. If this becomes 1, after this line, the current in progress index becomes 1. And it will set this value to this. Oh, thing is, I guess, okay, and after this, this will become 0. So why is this not working right? When we click on the next button, next dialog, why are we this is next dialog. Where are you in call from global index, global count? Do we actually need this? Do Let's just add a breakpoint. Check for the values. Okay. The global index got 1. So this is the issue, right? This is the issue. But when we click, no, but what is this? Oh no, when hide dialog is called, yes, what is this issue? It's been set to this. Maybe text is getting set to 0. I think I should not change the global count to 0. But if the person clicks on the where's that button on the NPC logic and it's in a state that is first given, set quest, so current dialog, and it's in quest complete state. Show in progress dialog. This is required items quest. Okay, go to dialog, progress dialog. When we get here, let me just add okay 5 more minutes, and I hope that I would be able to complete this. Attached, and go back to Unity. One, you can do it. Current dialog index is 4. Fine, but in progress dialog index is this. Fine, let's continue. The current progress index is 1, which is a no-go. Now the exception, it should be 0 when we click it again. And something like hide dialog, the global count, where is the global count? Is 0, right? But the current progress, why? I'm setting this to 0. Like, can I go back? Okay, you can just stop this. And I forgot what I was. This is 1, this is yes, so I need to check. This is quest dialog. Count is 1, right? This is index. So current in progress dialog index is equal to 0. And it is not actually, it's just something like current in progress index 1. The old man needs to Is this being called? In a loop? Progress dialog, and I have no clue why the dialog manager is setting. Click on dialog manager, P1. So now the current in progress dialog is set to 0, right? If I click here, then I click, hey, why is it incrementing this value? Okay, that's just this plus if that was the issue. This was the issue. Yeah. Very small mistake and a huge amount of time loss. Terminal, I don't need you. What? We just fixed this. Oh, sorry. Maybe okay, so meet down here. Yeah, so where is mayor? Resource station. Okay, what else? Okay, this is working. Red item is working. Yeah, cheese block. Did you find? I'm working on it. Did you find? I'm working on it. Okay, so now this is the correct behavior here, dude. Welcome. Give me another quest. No. Okay. Done. Yeah. Okay, so I guess this is it for this video. A lot of time was, I'm not sure if I call it wasted, but it took me a lot of time to debug the checks, all of the checks. But again, I need to implement something like Maybe I need to just maybe do something like a temporary object of type quest, and this then add all the values of the quest to that object, and then is another hassle, and I don't want to get into it. Okay, maybe we can do something like add a button that will show up over here. It would say save. So then it will copy the state of all of this quest to another save state, right? So whenever we hit reset quest, that saved state would be copied back to the original over here. Maybe the next video. I don't want to get into if it becomes a huge hassle to pass the values. I might do a bit of editor scripting. Anyways, I think but we just got to implement the report back, find a person report back functionality. What about that then? Let's maybe I should tackle that in the next video. Dialogue 1 is complete, finished, and this is next. Okay, so yeah, thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope that I see you guys in the next one.